Hello. Is this microphone working? I have no idea because I've not tried this in I don't know, like literally a year now. I think I have the chat open, so it should work. Why is Perry? Oh, it gives a notification, doesn't it? For fuck's sake! I forgot it gives a notification. Hello, Perry. I've last spoken to you. Probably 2024, 2023. I can't believe he's the notifications on. I'm currently doing a test stream, as you can see the title. For some reason it says I have 4 viewers. I'm gonna pretend I don't see it. I'm not kidding. I literally started this stream thinking, alright, I'm gonna ask Penny to watch because nobody else will see it, and then I'm gonna test if all my features work. Uh, that being said, I'm going to attempt. That's the wrong one. Hello, this is me. I have a really shitty VTuber going. I was meant to go to this opening screen. Um, so this is the intro card I'm going to have for Voices of the Void streams. Theory. Yes, it is. I will work on that again. This testing stream. Is there background ambience while I have this scene open? That's something I was. Okay, I genuinely just can't hear it. Is it loud? It's meant to be the Voices of the Void ambience. Like, how does it balance against my voice? Is the audio balancing fine? VoTV ambience.mp4. I assume it just sounds like the game's background music. Also, you might notice there is a green rectangle in the middle of the screen. I was gonna put myself there. Okay, the transparency works. I do still notice that the face tracking does not work at all on this VTuber. So it's a good thing this is a test stream because, you know, I will just re-implement that. The hand tracking kind of works, sort of. And I've noticed it usually tracks the motions I do with my mouth. But I have to be really exaggerated. In fact, maybe I could change like the sensitivity on it right now. There are about to be some weird red things appearing around me. That's me configuring it. Don't mind that. If I literally just go to global blind shape sensitivity and I say fucking maximum. Okay, does my mouth? No, that's still pretty bad. Okay, I think I will have to make the. I think I will have to make the lip sync literally just based off of my microphone input because I don't know, these are from Vero Studio, these avatars. They're not that high quality or detailed. So that's the only issue I've had so far. Again, I'm glad this is a test stream and not me actually streaming, because committing to a stream with a bunch of issues would be a shame. I can see that the chat works on the side. That's good. I can show you a bit of the avatar. So the game I am intending on streaming soon is Voices of the Void, and this is entirely a character with my profile picture combined with the Voices of the Void outfit. And I also like have like a simulation, so like when I move my mouse around, it does the mouse. This is just like a free software, both to make the character, although it took me like hours, and to turn it into a VTuber. And then I bought like a £25 webcam off of Amazon. Alright. All that being said, the eye tracking is pretty good. I can also do the gestures, like the facial expressions. If something scary was happening in game, I can hit this, and my character looks like a little bit more afraid. It'll work better when I have face tracking, because right now I just like stare, and there's noises coming at me, and my mouth occasionally moves because the sensitivity's shit. And then I've also got like the smog one, which I opened up with, because the one for the neutral is this, and then I've got that. And I've also got this, and this, and this. It looks weird when they change between. I'm going to now attempt to move to the game scene, and we're gonna see how the like screen share works, if it does. So I can go here, and then I've got the classic placeholder image of just the arrival. And then I'm in the corner because the bottom right corner is the only corner in this game which doesn't have a bunch of Y information. All that being said, if I tab into game now, is it going to change to the game? No, I think I'll have to make a manual game capture for that. Capture specific window, search for Voices of the Void. Is that then? Yeah, there we go. And then music back on, and then we're going to test audio balancing. This. Oh, that is quite loud. I don't know how loud that is for you. I don't know if you hear it at all, because you might not. No hear at all. Interesting. Oh no. Oh, I actually don't know why that would happen, because... Oh, okay, I literally just opened the config menu and then suddenly green bars started lighting up, and I think that means you can hear it now. Is the balancing okay again? I can turn either up or down. Once I have this done, I could hypothetically just stream this game in the future and not have to config it constantly, hopefully. It is pretty loud. It is also pretty loud for me, so I'm actually just going to go ahead and... let's go with that. Oh yeah, also the hand tracking is a bit buggy, I think. I'm pretty sure my hands look about... Yeah, it was good to see you, Perry. Thank you for jump scaring me. That was scary. Again, I literally wasn't expecting to see anyone. Is that balancing better, or is it not even going to change? That's me adjusting my glasses. The hand tracking is, yeah. Still loud-ish. Okay, I'm going to turn it down a little bit on the OBS side as well, then. Although it did just fade out, that's not a very good sample. So yeah, as I messaged you a bit, Penny, this game has improved itself quite a bit since the last time I played. I briefly started a 0.9.0 version of this game, and then I pretty quickly gave up because I didn't like the initial release. I mean, obviously, in the game's defense, it is to be a what do they call it? Like super test branch, unstable, do not play. Like I'm pretty sure that's literally what they called it. So, I mean, I guess fair enough. But if I go through it now, you will see that the game is significantly better than it was. Like the tutorial is, I'll just show you, because again, we're not looking to rush into the story and actually play it today. We are just sampling how streaming would work. It might be worth turning hand tracking off in its entirety, because I'm noticing at random it's just saying, oh, my hand is up here. And I'm not, I mean, I'm doing this right now, but I wasn't doing it a second ago. You'll just see my hands go, woo, woo. And I don't know what is up with that. Alright, so yeah, we're in the game. I've stabilized the frame rate quite a bit from before by going through settings, because I mean, I think we gathered this a little bit before, but most of the issues with the game's frame rate is the lighting. The lighting is really, really, really HD, which is cool, but if it blows up my computer, I can't work with it. So yeah, you'll notice there are different coloured hint bubbles, I suppose, now. These are determining how important they are, so it's a lot more readable of a tutorial, and it also means that some of them don't even need to be completed to progress. Most of them don't. So the red one is required. Blue can just be completely skipped. Orange can also be skipped, but probably shouldn't, and then green can be skipped, but it's useful, and it has a guide the way you physically do things. You'll see it in a minute anyway. I don't know why I'm explaining it so much. But this is just general tips. This shows you Oh, I have to go through it physically. Okay. Yeah, so this like then enables getting these, and then I learn to yeah, and then like you have to smash all of these to mark the green as completed. But they are literally just optional as well, so you don't have to like do this to play the game. That was like my main issue with it was you have to go through this lengthy tutorial and read a million words, whereas now it's like there's more things where it's active, and there's also not as much stuff that you just have to read, because you previously just were expected to read like a million paragraphs. There was this with the precise placement, which was new, and that's really cool. And then tutorial just generally does actually teach you more things. Like there was this with the edge vaulting. There you go. And we get this. Funnily enough, even though it's red here, you don't actually need to interact with it as far as I remember. I'm pretty sure you can just do this. Yeah. I mean, it's probably going to be changed later, but like right now the red one is like not necessary. Same for here. Like technically, you have to read this to know what the code is. But like I did the tutorial like 20 minutes ago, and I saw the code is 1, 2, 3. Fuck, not that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, I can just skip the reds as well. Technically, like you can just beat the tutorial with like very little reading, which is good for returning players. Because you do have to get the achievement to actually play the game. Which, I mean, it's totally fair. You don't want to have a bunch of people load into the story mode and not know how all this fucking shit works. That is a nightmare. That is, like, the worst way you could play the game, is not knowing how to process signals. Jesus Christ, I am yapping. I am so sorry. Okay, and then there was the new feature like this and stuff. Go back to the consoles. There have been some changes to it, to my knowledge. Here. So like this is the coordinates panel now here. They changed orders. Yeah. Which is honestly, again, totally fair, because you do start with this. I remember it was previously here. So you would go, I'm gonna do the coordinates, and then I'm gonna go download, and then I'm gonna go play the signals. This is actually in order that you would do it, which I think is just an improvement. So like I'm gonna get, well, I have to do the practical, so I'm not gonna do it, but like I would do the coordinates, I would download, then I would play. Oh, and then there's obviously processing as well. Oh, and you notice the colors are different. That's not them overhauling it. There is a setting that they added, customization, and you can just set the colors. Because by default they're like kind of like this. They're like oranges and yellows. I also did just forget to change that one, but ignore that. And I changed them to be a greeny, bluey, purpley, because you know that's my color range. And yeah, that's true. That is. It is a little bit more of a like operation feeling if you're like swiveling between the desks, but I mean they probably just had some people who asked for it to be reordered, and again I understand why. Anyway, yeah, we were then at this part, and one of the big changes was the data reels, which I tested a single time in Sandbox. Like, when I play, I don't know, tomorrow or whenever my actual stream is, I imagine that I'm going to, like, basically play like a intern again. Like, I'm gonna have the basic understanding, but I'm probably gonna suck at remembering to do this. It's a very passive one, and because of that, it's actually just harder to remember to do, because it's literally just you put them in here, get them 100, and then you sell them. I think they also changed, yeah, the stuff here. So I remember, like, instead of bringing a paper in and just writing on it with SV hash, you would put a floppy disk into like a server, like not this, but in fact I don't even know what these are. They go in here. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Oh yeah, there's the floppy disk. So like you would put it in this bit, and then you would type get codes, then you would eject it, and then you would put it in your PC, and that's like how you upload them now, which is significantly more realistic. Like, it was very silly to have to type SV hash and slowly type a number into a piece of paper. I love the change. But like, if I do this, hang on, SV request. Oh, okay, well, yeah, obviously not. There's 4 servers. You would have typed that in, and then it would have put data on the floppy disk, and then you would put the floppy disk in the upload station or whatever. You'll see when I actually play the game. But yeah, it's a cool change. I like it. I think they also still have that little ARG thing in this tutorial, but I'm never doing it again. Oh, and then over here there's a change which I actually haven't tried again. Yeah, this part. I actually haven't done this part again yet. I probably should have. I guess it's kind of a practical on the stream. How can I adapt or something? So yeah, it was like you press this button to reduce it, but if it goes to 0, you have to do a bunch of mini games. I'm pretty sure it literally calls them mini games here. Yeah, 3 separate mini games. And it explains them, but hopefully I can just figure them out. Oh yeah, these servers had different mini games as well, didn't they? I think I remember that being a thing. I don't think they're only maths anymore. Oh, the power's out. I didn't think it would actually make a difference. Okay, let's do this one first. Oh, yeah, obviously it's... Where is the panel? I probably should have read the text it was explaining to me, shouldn't I? I'm really running in with no manual. Manually rebooted. Look at the yellow button. Press. Okay, that would do it. That's cool. I like that. Opening a little panel. And then... Yeah, I vaguely remember these. So, like, you had to make these match. Oh, God. I really should have tried this before streaming. Ugh. I hope this is still, like, fun to watch in, like, on a Twitch stream perspective. I don't know yet, because I haven't watched anyone again. So I want to get the update, like, live reaction. I think it's this one. They're a little bit awkward to turn. Okay, I think it's this one then. No? Oh, I'm stupid. Oh, I'm stupid. There you go. So that's one of them, and then there is this one. Is it literally just make the same? No, you can see that. I probably should have just done the tutorial. In fact, it is still here. Okay. Complete the minigame requires the correct combination indicated by a full... Oh, it is literally just... figure it out. Okay, so, well... Yeah, I can figure it out because I can see ones go up or down. There you go. Alright, so that is that one. Sine wave is the one I just did. Once all components are in order. Okay, did I skip some of them? Oh, 3x3 grid. All dials need to be tuned so that the colors are matched together. Power flows through. Okay. So, like, for example, this would... Okay, well, it's not going to be that. No, I think it has to be, but these have to be like that because there's only one green. So that must be that. Or I'm stupid. I could also be stupid because you can just make them come off the edge. Yeah, no, I could just be stupid. This is a bad omen for things to come. This one. Green there. There you Is that all of them? No. Integrity. Does that just mean I have to hit the button? Binary, sine wave. Close the hatch and press the red button. There you go. Okay. I now have learnt. I'm now actually intern level for this job. Let's go. And that being said, I did want to check something with this. Oh, they are off permanently? Oh, no, it's this. Okay. Oh, yeah, it gives you some interesting information in the power management section here. It turns out, and I probably have told this to you before, because I think, again, this was added in 0.9, and I probably mentioned it and then, didn't play, so you might not remember. But I'm pretty sure if you turn off power in, like, coordinates and playing, downloading goes faster, because it's got excess power. In fact, I don't know why I'm saying I'm pretty sure. I tested this in Sandbox, and that is really cool. Like, if you are really desperate for, like, say it's like 11 PM, and you need to get one more signal, you can just, like, turn off the fucking lights, and you'll be in pitch black, but you are gonna get that download done. That is cool. I think calculations is processing as well, so you could, like... because the computer as well, there's not one here to demonstrate, it's back here. Computer has a new tab. Well, I don't know how new it is, but it's called Components, and you can turn them off without the switch as well. So you can literally, like, you can be a pro gamer and you can dynamically turn them off when you're not using them. So, for example, when I'm trying to get good coordinates, I can turn off downloading and calculations because I'm not using them right now. It turns these off. And then I can do the coordinates better. Well, I don't know if it applies for coordinates, but like for the processing and the downloading, I wouldn't want to have coordinates on unless I'm also searching for something. And then that makes everything more efficient. Because there's more power available. Yeah, you're literally optimizing your system. I think that is really cool as a system, like a new thing. I also think there were new minigames in this. Okay, well that's a bad demonstration because it is the one from before. This one? Nope, they're the same. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's more minigames. Source, trust me. And that's cool because that minigame is very samey after playing the game since 0.4. So, I think it was 0.4, I don't know. And then because we've done that, yeah, we can beat the tutorial. I actually think you could technically even skip that. Yeah, I think there is a setting for it. Maybe in the game section? Game rules? Extras? No, I remember. They added, like, world settings for, like, every save file. I'm pretty sure it's in there, which we will see in a minute because I'm leaving the tutorial. In fact, I don't even need to fall in the hole because we've already done this before. But, you know... I'm pretty sure when you're making a world or launching one, there is like a massive panel now, and you can configure things like enabling funny mode. Well, okay. I don't have a new save file yet. Ignore some of their names. Why does this one have 9 slots? I think I accidentally made 1 million backups. I don't know. Create new save slot. Placeholder, because I put a K on the start of all of my saves. Yeah, so there's all this now. So, like, I think it is secret setting. This rule's achievement locked. Unlock this rule by getting alpha completed. I thought I did that already. I thought I had done that. I guess I'm not cool enough. Oh, here we are, 7 minigames. So, like, math is the one we just did, I'm pretty sure. And then, like, you can kind of guess from some of these what they're going to be. Like, I can't wait to do Simon Says to unlock a server. Prepare. Obviously, when I'm playing, I am just going to turn these on because it's more fun that way. I'm expecting this run to be, like, very different from previous... say file back in like 0.8. Both because it has been a month since I last played, which is like very refreshing, and because well, 0.9 is all experimental. I feel like there's going to be some weird stuff in this one. There's also just a lot of settings to review. Like, that's kind of funny, and realistic, but also, like, gameplay... Like, when I'm playing a video game, I'm expecting water to save my fall. I think it was a major overhaul. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the entire base has changed. I don't remember the specifics of what, because I went out of my way to not check every base room when I was testing in Sandbox. So that is going to be quite exciting. I'm pretty sure like the ATV is completely different as well, for example, and again, that is very interesting. I will go through all of these settings probably like off of stream because I don't want to just be sat here doing like a hour-long stream of going, do I want a daily task? Fine, I don't know. But maybe like when I start actually playing, I can briefly walk through these. That being said, should we quickly... I think we have to do... This is like the most important part of the stream. Oh, I love when I want to fix something and I gotta do random bullshit. For real. that is a lot of this game anyway. So, like, I have never streamed this on Twitch, and I think streaming on Twitch might be more demanding on hardware than streaming on, like, Discord or something. And the last time I asked a friend of mine to stream this game, their computer, like, literally exploded. So I'm going to open up Sandbox, and I'm going to do a quick test. Yeah, no, I really like the new mini-games. I feel like it is, like, really characteristic of this game. It was already pretty silly that you had to do, like, the maths puzzles. I don't know, it feels very in tune with this game to do, like, the world's randomest minigame. And welcome to my stream, by the way. I have not played 0.9 yet, and I'm just testing if my stream works. Hello, Katie, as well. Yeah, City Game has City minigames. I made a placeholder save here. I'm going to make a new one as well, just because I don't remember what I did in the last one. A placeholder. Am I still in Sandbox? Yes. So yeah, we'll just create this on whatever settings, it doesn't matter. How did I know it was you? That was a total mystery. I don't know, it was totally vibe-based because you opened with a meow. That is the only reason I knew, totally. Where is the save file I just made? B placeholder. Play game. Okay. I heard the notification noise, thank you for following. I have not done oven repair yet. I actually haven't done oven repair. I've briefly seen it. I remember, I opened the panel once, and I was just mentally like, this doesn't make sense. I think I needed a wrench or something. I think I needed, like, a wrench. And I just never got around to it. Okay, we are in the game now on Sandbox. Yeah, Sandbox. Frame rate is looking fine. It's going between... Oh, now it's at stable 60. That's cool. Is the stream fine for you guys? Because I literally don't know what you see. Because again, this is the first time I've streamed in like literally a year, so I don't know. Like, is the frame rate stable? I'm not gonna do the dramatic walk because I'm gonna save that for when I'm actually playing the game. Like, because again, this is a test run. I want to do the cool walk next time. Like I want to make it dramatic, you know. Which ruins the bit rates. Do you mean like? It's fine on the standard of other Twitch streams. It is just like the issues are not at my fault. Is that what you're saying? Because if so, then I'll just leave it as it is. I mean, I guess this game is like, okay. I'm not gonna do that again. I do think this game is like really beautiful, and it does do really well at a lot of varied colors on the stream at once. So. It's kind of no wonder, like, the night sky in this game is really, really nice, and just generally the lighting is really nice. Although I did have to lower it a bit, because in the base, I would get 20 FPS, not streaming. Yeah, I have always loved this game's lighting, like ever since, I don't know, like a few updates ago. I don't really want to spoil myself too much, like I've briefly seen this because I was testing recently. I'm not going to walk through the entire base, I want to surprise myself for the next time I stream, and like, get acquainted to the new base, because it's kind of immersive, if that makes sense. But like, I think the game starts exploding when you have all the lights on, from memory. So we're gonna try... I mean, obviously if this doesn't work, I can just play like as if I need to conserve power and not turn that many lights on. Is this password still the same? Yes. I don't remember for the life of me how you figure out that password. I guess it's just because it's a simple one you're expected to brute force it. I don't know. But yeah, if I just turn on the lights in every room I'm currently entering, let's see how long it takes for this frame rate to become unbearable. That being said, you guys tell me if you think the frame rate has gotten bad, because I don't really notice the difference between 30 and 60 FPS, but I know 60 FPS is the goal. 0.9 is such a good update, apart from the occasional game-breaking bugs, such as What's the Void Way. Yeah, as I said, I have not really played this. I will just have to take your word for it, because it is literally called, like, super experimental, might explode version. I think my camera has turned off, my character is no longer moving. I want to figure out when it was that you started playing Voice of the Void. I will literally check, because I have a compilation of every... Sorry for getting distracted, this might just be how my streams are. But I do have... Oh, my camera's back on. That's cool. I don't know what happened there. Thumbs up. Okay, my hands are now desync. I'm just gonna pretend it's not a thing at the moment. And yeah, no, this has been a thing for a while, and I do know the lore, and it makes sense. It is worse than it was in 0.8, I think, actually. All these screens weren't here. It's kind of nice if you clean it, I guess, but it's currently a disaster. Anyway. File Explorer, videos folder, where's Voices of the... Because they should just have dates on them, and then the earliest clip will tell me when it was. Oh god. I see a 2023. Oh yeah, no. Okay. I first played this game around about August 2023, and I keep saying 0.4, but that is a guess. I don't know what update that would have been. It might have been 0.4. And yeah, that means it's been nearly 3 years, and I am going to die of old age thinking about it, but let's move on. So yeah, the frame rate right now, I'm looking at the top right, it looks to be about 30, and I guess that's fine. I mean, you tell me, like, I still haven't turned all the lights on. I imagine it probably will go as low as 20, and that's not that bad, but I do want to hear the opinion of, well, somehow I have at least 2 people here right now, and that's kind of crazy. Honestly, I hope I somehow manage to be interesting enough that the Voices of the Void Twitch regulars find my stuff all worth watching. I will be screaming when there are aliens, even if I've played this game a lot. I still overreact every single time because this game is good and it's very atmospheric. Oh wait, I said I wouldn't explore. I'm not exploring. Even if I want to turn the lights on and test it. Oh, I didn't know if you were still here. Sorry, hello. Okay, at least 3. Let's go, at least 3 viewers. We're cooking. Maybe I shouldn't say that. I'm not 12. I don't know. I don't know what counts as a 12-year-old statement or not anymore. I don't think the game gets laggy at daytime, but I'm going to quickly test if I go to day. No, we're still at the exact same frames. Okay. According to the Voice of the Void archive, August wouldn't... Okay, I guess I played 6 then. I completely misremembered. I think I might have been introduced to the game watching Bog Skeletor play 0.4. That's probably why it sticks out. I can believe I played 0.6. Not getting on VR chat without being invited, so it stuck with me. Yeah, fair enough. I mean, I don't really play that game either without, like, being explicitly told that people want me to log on. Because, I don't know, otherwise it feels like there is nothing to do. We're gonna troubleshoot code while listening, so you'll be here all night. Don't tempt me to do a full stream. You can see the title, right? This is a stream test. Don't make me tempted to actually like play, because I am tempted already. Like if I'm gonna have viewers, like God, maybe I should just do like day one. Maybe I should just do day one, even if my webcam doesn't work, because like my character is just completely static in the corner. But I kind of want to play. Oh, it has lip sync while my face tracking isn't working. That's interesting. How long do I usually stream? The last time I streamed was literally a year ago. Honestly, I'm imagining that I will want to stream this game fairly regularly. Like, I really like this game. And I kind of told myself that if I am going to play 0.9, it's going to be on a Twitch stream, because I need a reason to do it. Oh god, I remember streaming in 2021 as well. Rough times. But yeah, I think potentially, as far as I know, I could literally just stream again tomorrow. I guess it depends on a lot of factors. I don't know what time it is for you right now. For me, like, I started stream on around 7:30 p.m. And I probably would still do the same, because it's like after I finished eating food, if that makes sense. So I could literally, theoretically, just stream like same time tomorrow. I haven't really decided. I probably should make a schedule, because that's better than just saying figure it out. Though, that being said, apparently people got notifications for me streaming today. So maybe that comes in handy, because like someone I haven't spoken to in over a year just like showed up when I started the stream, and that was really shocking. Alright, I think frame rate is stable. I think this game is in fact streamable. That's good. I don't have much else to do, but I really want to play this game now. What do you guys think? Should I just do day one? I think I just do day one. I think we get introduced to the game a little. Well, quote unquote introduced. I don't know if my chat is bugging out or if you just sent, and I quote, pair E. That doesn't mean anything in my mind. I could do multiple days. I could do multiple days. It's kind of calling to me. Okay, I'm gonna close Sandbox because I have tested. I don't need to use Sandbox anymore. My webcam has just turned on again. I don't know why that. I would go look at the config, but I kind of just don't want to like sit here troubleshooting on a stream. That would probably be kind of a buzzkill. Alright, that being said, we've now tested Sandbox. We don't need Placeholder anymore. Be prepared to watch me set things up, because I don't know all of the game rules off by heart, since that's a relatively new system. We'll see how far we can get. I'm generally probably planning to go somewhere in 1 to 2 hours, so I think we can get through a couple of days. That being said, we're in story now. So we need a save file name which sticks out, but we also need to start with K, as has been seen before. That's a bit I have. I'll happily take suggestions if anyone has a funny word beginning with K. We're not gonna go with, I don't know, Capri Sun again. We do want to also, I don't know if we want change seasons weekly. Current month. Okay, so like it. Okay, no, okay. I think that's an immediate sell. I think it does have to be. I think it does have to be. Full cats. We're on ketamine save. So I think this will just basically mean that we are always going to be playing spring, because I imagine I'm going to beat this game again in like, I don't know, 1 or 2 months. So that being said, I think I will do weekly change, because that's kind of just interesting. I do have someone in chat who is a 0.9 like fanatic, I assume. So if you have anything to say about me turning on any settings, then do, because I don't know if maybe this is gonna like break the game. I remember there used to be like a work in progress winter mode that was like weird and didn't entirely work. I don't know if they fully implemented it now. I'm glad I did not choose that as my save name, by the way. I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not even gonna say it. Permanent rain, no, fog, no. I still don't know why I don't have this unlocked. You'd rather I figure it out myself. Okay, you know, fair. I'm just gonna go with the settings I have. I'm just gonna do with weekly. I don't know why I don't... Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I think I know why. I think secret setting, it says alpha completed. I think I beat the pre-alpha, didn't I? I can't go check without cancelling all of this, but I'm pretty sure that they've added more content since 0.8 story. That's exciting. Okay. I want to leave most of it the same, but I'm obviously going to have these on. I think that's fine. I'm assuming alpha goes to, like, I don't know, day 52 or something, because we have 48 unlocked, and that's pre-alpha. Save create slots. Should be seeing ketamine soon, gamers. We should be receiving ketamine. This stream has been banned for violating terms of service. Day 1. Last I heard there were 4 million, or was that 47 million? Yeah, 47,869,413 days worth of events. That's so crazy, and I really believe it. Okay, alpha player, complete 09 tutorial. Does it show if I did pre-alpha, or is that gone now? Yeah, pre-alpha player's there. Yeah, pre-alpha completed, no mention of alpha completed. That explains a lot. There is a reward for completing the game again. Let's go! I have a reason to do this. Dr. No's definitely did some work. This is very true. I'm honestly really glad. I was originally going to start this save file at the beginning of 0.9, but there were some issues I had with, like, the way the tutorial was and some of the stuff with, like, the ATV. And as far as I've been able to tell, every issue I've had has just been, like, fixed. And there's just also just, like, 15 more things added, and it's like, oh, okay. Every time I come back to this game, there is awesome stuff. Let's go. Can't lie, I don't know all the Kardashians. I've touched so Discord. Kim, Chloe, and ketamine. I don't know why you're saying this so apologetically, like as if I'm gonna know the answer to those questions, by the way. ATV is so much more in-depth, it's crazy. I'm going to find out. I don't know yet. Here we go. It's probably gonna be a cleaning stream, because this state it starts in. I don't remember if I have anything in the mailbox or not. I hope I left cleaning supplies in there. Yeah, I feel like the people who cared about the Kardashians were the millennials, and I'm pretty sure most of the people that are watching a What's in the Void stream are a Gen Z. Do I want, like, spoilers about the ATV? Well, I'm gonna see it in, like, literally 5 minutes, so feel free. Don't, like, wait when you don't need to. Alright, so we've got the stuff. Why am I taking it out? I can just carry it like that. We can do this. There's a bunch more settings compared to before. Can I, like, precise place it? Yeah. I just think it's really fun how I can, like, so quickly put it in my hand. Oh, yeah, no, I've got a player model now. There's just so many changes since last time I properly played. The wheels fall off. Oh, no. Oh, no, I don't like that. I really don't like that. This is... you actually have to do maintenance, don't you? That's concerning. I can explain... Oh, go forward. I forgot that was a thing. Not through the gate down. Okay. I actually forgot that was a thing. I saw that in Sandbox and I forgot about it. Signals from the space and the greys. That's actually a very good summary. I didn't forget my luggage game. Thank you. Yeah, while we walk, we can talk. And I can briefly explain this game. Yeah, so it's signals from space. You are working at a satellite company. You collect astro signals. I'm starting over today. I beat the game in pre-alpha, as I briefly mentioned, but I'm playing as, like, a character called Dr. Kell, who works alone at this, like, old, messy laboratory, and I get paid if I just send them data from space. And you'll see how I do it if you are like properly watching the stream. Although, of course, don't get too distracted from your programming you're doing if you're enjoying that. I don't know if I'm going the right way, by the way. The only sign I saw was gate, which is where I came from. I'm actually going to take the... Is this a bridge over the lake? Or river? Yeah. We guess. We have no idea. Legit might be your job if you don't become a professor. This is I would do this job, honestly. Maybe this game sells it too much, but like this seems awesome. I think this initial walk is literally showcasing the most quintessential part of the game, creepy yet comfy. Exactly. This is exactly ambient horror. Honestly, I think anyone playing this game for the first time is probably absolutely horrified out of their mind of this walk, which is quite endearing. I don't actually even know if anything can get you at this point. Oh, this is the right way. I've got stuff working from a global variable which is updating for some functions, not for others, so I might give up for them. Also, this is way boring. RL. I'm a nerd. It probably would be. Yeah, that's fair. And I don't understand how a global variable could work for some things and not others. Genuinely, all I have to respond with right now is like 3 question marks. No clue. Transformer. I didn't. They were not science for transformers before. That's useful. And an X-ray base Quebec. What? Why did I just hear a quack? Is that a really rare? Or does that happen here? What? Why did I just get a rubber duck this early into the game? I didn't even think you could get events at this point. I don't know if that's extremely rare or if that's like, I don't know, just a thing that happens when I walk here. That's shocking. I'll also take this mushroom. It will be tomorrow's feast. You're not getting the creepy part and probably the country. Yeah. I think it's random, like when you activate Dingus. I assume you mean like the Maxwell cat and the other ones. I think actually I think Dingus is the Argenia version. I don't remember. But yeah, that's weird. I get it. Maybe it is just in like a random location. I don't know. There's a satellite. Used to collect the data. We're still going to base. How much of my battery have I used? 80%. Because I've just been standing here talking. I haven't gotten to my base. There you go. You can see the tower, which is right next to the base. We go to work. Maxwell's name in the game is Dingus. Oh. Oh, yeah, because when you hover over it, it's got the little name tag. Yeah, I forgot. That's fair enough. I swear, sometimes I look over at my little character and it looks like they're being, like, punched. I don't know. I guess that's what happens when you buy, like, a 25 quid USB camera. It's just not... It's not the most impressive. It's quite inconsistent. Or maybe it's the software. I don't know. I don't want to break my legs. Okay, that's fine. Your one is our game well. Yeah, that's right. But you would type the name in the console or whatever. What? Okay, this bridge is new. I didn't know he'd get eaten by roaches. Oh. Oh, it's like a road. Oh, that makes sense. Because they have the parking area. It's like a road bridge for cars. Yeah, it's like fully... Oh yeah, and I forgot the exterior is completely changed. I kind of just ran past that. Am I supposed to leave Maxwell in the fridge, by the way? Is that what you're implying? Oh my god, no, don't remind me of the poor sharks. The moth roaches devour. Yeah, no, the exterior is very different now. Oh, and yeah, all this is going to be here. Cleaning episode. That wasn't there before. I love that. That is very aesthetic. Having the actual look of a laboratory. And there's this. Is this like a fire escape staircase? I actually think I might have been exactly right. Yeah, because there's no outdoor frame hinge, I guess. Whatever opens a door. Handle. I'm stupid. Either in the fridge or suspended by a hook from the ceiling. We are lynching Maxwell today. Oh, I remember seeing this vaguely. You have to, like... I don't remember where you use this, but it's like you have to get physical money out. It might be for, like, the vending machines. And then there's a ladder here for some reason. Oh, okay. It's what the aliens use to stare at me. That makes sense. We have to have some alien accessibility in this place. Is this where the tiny gas can is? No. That might not be real anymore. Again, is it more realistic? Oh, no! It's fine. I think you'd actually right? I hope. It's fine. And we can already tell... Oh. We can already tell what the inside's gonna look like. Not look in the... Okay. Actually, no, you told me not to. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I actually shouldn't. Maybe it's like the horrors that kill you. I think this is where you unlock like the Kurthus or something in the Kurther rather. I'll figure that out later. I keep actually right-clicking and... I don't. Do I have stuff in my mailbox? Oh, I really do. Oh, I really do. Oh, I think I was actually preparing to move the 0.9. Save it for when you forget and you look at curiosity. Sounds like a plan, honestly. So, this is mostly just food. Oh, okay, no, I just have the I just have the Omega manual in here. I can just make... I'm not going to do that because it's boring, but I might... Scones. It's interesting to think that you can move them between locations. Because that kind of means, like... Duplicate it. Oh, yeah, you know where they're going. You know where they're going. But if you don't know where they're going, good. Fake grays. I don't necessarily really want to take most of this. Maybe the food later on. I assume it doesn't rot in here. It's good, like, emergency rations, I suppose, but I don't really want to... Oh, don't put them in the bath? Oh, I've seen what happens. I've seen what happens when you do, and I'm going to do it again. I love it. I love being absolutely horrified. It is probably the scariest thing. But, like, I genuinely think it is the thing that has scared me the most in this game. Like, straight up. And I want to have it again. Oh, okay, I placed it and it fell over. We're at the base! Oh, I just picked up a fire extinguisher immediately by accident. Good start. Let's get the lights on. Unlock the door. That's the outdoor lights, I forgot. So yeah, introductory, again, for Katie and... I would say anyone else, but I imagine it is just you three currently watching. Because, like, I don't know, I've literally never streamed in 2 years, how would I suddenly have people? But yeah, this is the lab. It is quite big. It is very clearly designed for more people than just my character. Like, you'll notice there are multiple beds, there are multiple chairs in the workroom, I think. Like, over here, like, there's 3 chairs. It looks like as if there's, like, a lead researcher and 2 others. But it's just me. They didn't have the money. It is just me. I need my torch on me. Yeah, no, every time when you have speaking of which, you know it's gotta happen. Imagine day 1 we get him. That'll be so funny. Yeah, but the noise, like, whenever I have put them in the bath, I'm immediately paranoid, and like I sometimes sniff myself in real life and start like feeling my heart rate like massively increase because I'm so afraid of that thing. I thought it was coming from the monster, but the idea that Cal is doing it is actually really... What is this email? What? Thank you, user. I think it's gone now. I guess it was a test chat. I don't know if I should read all of this out. Like, it's a really good introductory. I can summarize. We have, like, supervisors, and I'm in a learning period. I'm searching for the signals, which I just mentioned, and then you process them, and you also do calibration and maintenance around the entire place. Honestly, most of the day you don't spend in here collecting the signals. Most of the day is spent out in the map, out in here. Well, that's not that representative, but like you can go out like to these satellites and you have to like sometimes repair. Nothing wrong with the console. What do you mean? You are actually scaring me. What is wrong with the console? I don't. Yeah, they're here. They're doing their work. You're actually you are worrying me because I feel like you know everything about this game, and when you say these things, it means that there's something. Okay, it's completely ordinary. It's fine. It's fine. There is no issue. Honestly, reminds me of when I started playing. Oh god. There was the, what is it called? It's like the anti-breather or something. There's like that creature that runs around, and we had that bit where we would just call it a deer. We would always say there's just a deer out there. And I eventually just decided in my mind, yeah, no, that is just a deer. And I stopped fearing it. And then I saw it for the first time. And holy hell. So yeah, there'll eventually be like creatures on the sonar, and you get the idea. Like there's aliens. I mean, what? No, we're in a normal... There is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong. There's a deer out there named William. I might know the one you're talking about. I think I know the one, because I'm pretty sure it has beat me to half to death several times. Oh god, I haven't got that much training with this. Oh, there's one right here. I think it's old. Yeah, and then I have to, because I'm at low quality upgrade, I should manually move them. So like I can go here and call them over, and I have to triangulate, I think. Referring to the anti-breather, there was a deer back when it was embarrassing. Yeah, I don't think there were deer in the game at the time, so it was funny to just like see an eldritch terror and call it like a regular wildlife species or something. I might have run out of time because I forgot to actually, like, because of the cooldown, because again we're at really low quality early game services. Okay, we might have time. And then enter on that. I think we're gonna get the signal. This is gonna be a lot of the game. I assume that beeping noise means we did it. Oh yeah, you could. I forgot they like massively overhauled the ambience, and you can hear like the satellites physically moving around space. That's really fun. Oh yeah, and also we're in like an eldritch forest or whatever. That's a thing. I forgot about that. Alright, so I want to talk about the fact that when you spawn in this game, you're at full food and full sleep, and you spawn in at exactly 12 AM. The implications on Kel's natural sleep schedule are quite concerning. Yeah, I think they're all. I think you can see them all physically move as they align to the location and space that this is. Yeah, they're called satellite dishes, not the actual, not like ones in space. It's like these, because we have a million. I don't remember. Like, I mean, this is embarrassing because my character is, you know, supposed to be a mega genius at this stuff, has PhDs. I can show you the PhD in my suitcase, but I don't remember what they're called. I think they're just called satellite dishes. And then they, like, because they're massive, when they rotate, you hear the sound of like them trying to align. And then now, like, there's a bunch of new ambience from these machines, so you can hear that it's collecting detector status, that's it. And then there's also sound effects for when you're doing the alignment for the download, I think. Yeah. This update is very feedback-oriented, like, it's very easy to tell when you're doing something right or wrong, and it's also just aesthetically nice as well. It feels so much more real in 0.9. which helps with the immersion, because the immersion's kind of like the whole thing that keeps this game going in terms of, like, you know, you get comfortable and then you get jump scared. Fishes in the dark against the night sky between the trees is so beautiful. Yeah, that's very true. I always really liked the little red glows, and also on the power lines as well. I don't know how... I mean, I guess it's an Unreal Engine game. I guess Unreal Engine does just tend to look nice, but I feel like this game did it especially well. I don't know why I'm looking in the store. I'm completely broke. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I need to make sure I have everything I'm gonna need to even do my job. I think we only get a mission day one. Like, right now I don't think I have to get any satellites, but like I just should. Sorry, not satellites. Signals. I'm failing at speaking. How have we already got an outage? SD.kettle. SD.kettle. Almost remembered it. The whole console being analog and somewhat horrible to adjust. I feel like it is just generally really nice that we start with, like, garbage software as well. Like, oh no, oh, we actually are doing the different minigames now. I've never played this. I've never played this. Build a pipe that goes through all the data packs. Use right mouse button, 1, 2, 3, 4, or click on the buttons on the bottom left to switch between sections. So do I have a limited amount of resources? I think I do, and I just have to connect them? I'm going to take a minute, because this is not a minigame I've seen, like, before, as far as I know. So... one is... so that's remove, erase, straight pipe, water pipe, X-shaped pipe. What is this button? Okay. I think I just failed. I think I just failed. No, I didn't. Okay. I don't know what this is. Is this like submit? Oh, yeah. To activate the pipe. Click the pink triangle on the top left. I'm just going to... like, going to do this. Oh, I have infinite of them. Wait, this isn't that hard then. Oh, okay. What was rotate? Click with right mouse button. So, okay, so it's literally just... okay, I can just theoretically do this, no problem, if there's not a limit. Do I have to connect it to... oh, it's... oh, okay, yeah, I thought it might have been the starting point. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And then there to there. I assume that is everything I need to do. Okay, cool, cool. I understand one minigame. Well, I understand two because of the maths, but, you know, I'm getting there. I like that one. It's thought-provoking, but it's not necessarily hard. I think that's cool. The variety. And in the early game, I'm going to have to do a lot of this anyway. So, you know. Alright, so while I was there, did time pass? Did it download a lot? It didn't download a lot, but time doesn't pass when you're in it. It pauses, okay. Oh, you can speed it up. I didn't realize. Whoops. So I can turn off, I guess, calculations and coordinates and playing to make downloading go faster. I'm not going to turn utilities off because I believe that's the lights on the doors. I think download goes faster. I don't notice it that much, but I'm pretty sure it has. I feel like that is faster than it was before. It's just because I'm at, like, no upgrades, so I kind of need to, like, make the most of what I can, because I don't want that to take, like, 3 years. I'm gonna unpack my stuff, because we're on day 0, and there's not that much responsibilities. I'm gonna put my funny duck there. I'm gonna eat this mushroom. I actually am kind of surprised I didn't get poisoned by it. There's a sticker by the computer of the Mighty of China. Yeah, there is, and there's also France and Australia and Canada and Russia and Wales and Scotland and pizza. Wait, what? I'm pretty sure that's the pizza one, right? From the pizza that you can buy. My favorite country. Yeah, all the screens are off because they're depowered, and I think it's going faster. I could technically, like, genuinely min-max and, like, get those exact, but usually I don't bother. I think it does make quite a considerable difference, though, that being said. That's fine. And the other one's 99.88. I don't know if I'm going to get much better. Okay, but that is better. I'll take it. You want the stuff in here. Sorry, I'm going to use the controls again. I can't just stare at things. It's so horrible at first, it really is. Really humble beginnings. So this is like my I can do space certificate. That can go... There's not very much room in here. Up here? Oh no, there's cool... You know, before you walk in, you have to know I'm qualified. There we go. Or it could also go in the bedroom, but I'm thinking I put, like, this in the bedroom, so I kind of want to, like, move things around. Oh god, yeah, I just realized I haven't actually, like, got acquainted with this map yet. So, this is mostly the same. But the ATV is obviously very different, just looking at it, like, rest. Oh, yeah, I forgot there's a battery now. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to mess around. Your pizza has arrived. Get to me. I'm gonna lock that because I am familiar with that area. This changed locations, but it's kind of the same. I really like the waiting room. It's nice. I mean, obviously this all needs to clean. It's horrid. I like the new artwork because, like, I don't know. I assume this is the company mascot. The vending machines look nicer than they did, but I think this is where you need actual physical money. I think. I don't have yet. I don't have any money. The break room. There's not as much vending machine as there was in here before. Oh, did they move the kitchen downstairs? That's actually, that's fitting. That makes sense because they're going for, like, an actual living place laboratory thing. That makes sense. I see a drive in there, I want it. I see 2 drives in there, I want them. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm gonna have to pick all this up later on. I don't know if I, like, should be, like, clean up or not. Oh, the mascot's name is Starless. I thought that was a different company or something. I also don't know who is Melvin, one of the mannequins. Hard worker, right there. Hard worker. Get this out of the way. That's a plate. Get this out of the way. Whoa. Sorry, Melvin. I also do like these new signs. Although they're not that useful. Why is this open? That glass shard. Is that gonna break when I throw it at the wall? No, it's reinforced glass. Oh, I can move the sign, so I could fully redesign if I wanted to. I could just, like, I don't know. This is the signal lab now. Yeah, that's cool. I could just, like, make the next guy's job really confusing. This is pretty much identical to how it was before. Ow! Okay. Let's not attack me, please, storage units. Shut up. I don't know why they're angry. They don't want me here. Oh, that one affected my frame rate. I mean, I guess it's not that bad. Is the basement still horrifying and awful? Looks like it. So about this place. It's nice to see there actually being the meat in the places they're supposed to be and not in the middle of nowhere. That's reassuring. There's a million mannequins down here because normal people keep mannequins in the basement. I'm not even going to turn the light on in there. I'm going to keep it intimidating and concerning. I'm going to go to upstairs. I think this has changed quite a bit. There's a barricaded door. You already know we're going to look at the barricaded door. Oh, is this the fire exit with the staircase that you said was really normal? Even though it actually was just normal and there was nothing wrong. This is just a normal fire exit. Okay. False positives, huh? Do not look behind the oh, it was on the other side, okay. I'll look at it in a minute when it's daytime. Because I've already wasted like most of my torch battery. I don't know what this is hiding. Is that a second fire exit? Why can I not move this box? Oh, because it's like lodged in there. What were they barricading against? The aliens were trying to get in through the fire exits, even though there's not an entrance from that side. It's not even barricaded, but I still can't use it. Interesting. Why is the wind so loud? I'm inside. Is there a hole in the window? Oh, hello. Nearly got me. Nearly got me. Like, my heart stopped for like a split second, but I didn't quite... I kind of saw it coming. There's a new elevator door. That's nice. Is it still... Yeah, it's still like miserably slow. Turns mostly the same. I wonder if I can still no-clip into the back rooms. That's a waste of power. Let's turn the light off. Let's be power conservative. Not, of course, not for the power of the building, but for my frame rate. I'll probably leave this room's light on. Yeah, so there's more beds here. The lockers feel more like they have a purpose. I guess choose between two beds. That's nice. Put Killjoy here. I guess I should put the MREs in the fridge. Is there food in here already? Actually, yes. God knows how old that is. You already know Kel's gonna eat it anyway. Oh yeah, the freezer drive, that's normal. One time the mannequin fell on me, I did indeed cooperate. Yeah, no, it's either going to get you or it's not, and when it does get you, it gets you good. What's with this oven again? Chicken sandwich! But that's not a burger. Is that a burger? That is not a burger. So, like, do I need to, yeah, repair? And, like, I don't... Maybe I got, like, the screws off, and I think that was as far as I got. Kel is canonically a bug eater. This is known. Oh god, this reminds me of the actual kitchens I've seen. It's like the stuff in the sink. This is actually kind of just what, like, my university accommodation kitchen looks like, I can't lie. Chicken... Oh. That's fine, it's just been in glass and garbage and... Oh my god, okay. 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 Alright. Yeah, that's still a perfectly healthy, normal chicken sandwich. Oh! Oh no. How did I even get it? Oh my... Oh! Oh. Oh. Go away. I don't know. I don't know how I've already... It's barely even day one. It's barely even day one and I already managed to... and then make the fire extinguisher explode. My poor banana. Get back in there. Oh god damn it, not again. No! No! Oh, I just watched all my food fly out. Oh my god. Where's the chicken sandwich? God, I'm moving this. This has to move. I can't have that continue happening. Where is the chicken sandwich gone? Oh. How did it get over here? Oh, I'm eating it. Okay, yeah, no, that's how I feel today. I hit the wrong button, so I just ate the whole thing. I think I saw other food fly out as well. I don't... Okay, rest in peace, whatever it was that flew out. Is it under the beds? I don't know. I give up. Yeah, there were like 3 MREs in here. I'll probably find them before they rot. I don't know. I think the bathroom changed and there's more toilets, yeah. I mean, it's still awful. Why is there... Okay, so the burgers are just chicken sandwiches now, so I guess they, like, forgot to change the achievement name. I'm just gonna eat this one as well, even though I found it on the toilet. Wait, Killjoy fridge magnet? Is that on there? Oh, look at it! Look at it! This is awesome, actually. I actually just hadn't even, like, looked. Okay, I should probably bring this stuff downstairs. That's not the inventory button. It's on. We'll just leave this there. Yeah, that's fine. How am I gonna find those MREs? Or are they lost to the trash abyss? I wonder if they got added to the trash, maybe. I hope not. They are, like, actually useful. Why is there trash on my bed, man? Get off. Who puts trash on their bed? I'm not finding these, alright. Oh, there you go. There is a second one in here somewhere, but I don't know if I'm going to find it. I think I'm going to have to give up on that one. I'll find the cockroaches eating it, and I'll eat the cockroaches. It's fine. Oh, the balcony. Oh, it goes over here. Oh, second window. They made this place actually almost livable apart from the garbage. You know, when I have this place working. Don't put trash on your bed because I said to put trash on your bed. I also don't know how you managed to typo that hard, but, you know. It's probably like your auto-suggest or something. Alright, I've gotten everything that I reasonably can. I don't know why I just tried to use that again. We're gonna check on... my signal's probably done by now. I probably don't need the staircase light on. I need to conserve frame rate. We're at 100% download. We'll get that in. We will turn on coordinates and playing and turn off downloading. We're optimizing. Oh yeah, no, it is also just correct. That is true, it is also just correct. Alright, Red Dwarf is our first signal. I'm gonna save it because I never auto-save. I'm gonna call it first because that's what I do in every single one. I don't think Red Dwarfs are usually something interesting, but they could have changed it since I last played, so we are still obviously gonna give it. I swear that is less pixels than it used to be. I swear it used to have way more. It might be because of the fact that my upgrades are so low. Also, yeah, I probably should have given you like a warning for how loud that's going to be. Because it is in fact just like a static blast. I did not call you a red dwarf. Unless you are the signal I collected. Alright, I'll call it second. Actually, I'll call it 2.5. There you go. I can figure out what the hell that means. Oh, wrong button. I can figure out what that means later. Alright, so we have signal number 1, which we'll sell to them when the... yeah, because we're on day 1 and day 2 is when the events, like, when the demands actually come in. Okay, so I guess now we want to get a new one. Because it's my job, I'm streaming doing my job. Well, not really, but like, you know. There's one. It's quite far out, so I think I'm just gonna have to pull buttons. Save in midair. Yeah, okay. Or is beyond my comprehension. Yippee! Okay, that's gonna take too long. I'm gonna move blue over and then call green when I'm there. Yeah, it is really far out. I didn't see a closer one, so we kind of just work with it. Okay, 3 go there. Oh, did I just call? I just called 3 while I was playing as 3, didn't I? Sigh. I just wasted my call. Oh, it's gone. Wait, no, it's not. Oh, it's gone. I think. I didn't used to fade out before. That's cool. Why should they bother me? I couldn't comprehend them anyway. Okay, so yeah, I suck at my job. But who doesn't? I don't know, maybe some people. They employed me, so I'm probably the best one they had. Just like random intern. Kelly's paid in Dr. Bao coins, which you can spend on food. Do you ever think about that? This is kind of an internship, but like you might be able to get food if you work well enough. It says a lot about our, I don't know, society or something. Oh yeah, there's the yellow void now that you can go into. That's a new feature. Anyway, I missed all of the signals because I'm stupid. Okay, there's one over here. I like the new keyboard sounds, by the way. That's immersive as well. Oh, they're 4,000. I'm just gonna have to hope I can reach. Wait, there's one there? I saw that while I was moving over. Hello? I want that one. Phil doesn't need to hear this. It's a highly trained professional. Yes. Okay, I think we can just get this one. It hasn't quite faded out yet. I think it might be. I assume they all just fade out, like, natural, which is a lot more realistic than the previous just instant disappear thing that they did. I think I've got this one. I think this one's caught. Yeah, I think we've got that one. I hope. I don't know, maybe that's too inaccurate. I don't know yet, because I'm too new to this job. Please. Come on. Come on. Yes! Okay, I need to change my components. Actually, I might need coordinates while it's finding it, so I guess I'll just do downloading. I don't need playing right now. I mean, yeah, no, like... Actually, yeah, thinking about it, it is unrealistic. It should just suddenly stop. I don't know why it fades. I mean, I do know why it fades out. It's for a gameplay purpose, but I don't know why it would in real life. Because they don't... Like, the signal does just stop, you're right. Unless maybe it's, like, passing by. I also just saw the screen, like, slowly turn over to the new pixels. That's cool, that's a new feature. There. What? Oh, yeah, there's this now, because I don't have the module. Oh, Jesus. That's the sound of science, everybody. Yeah, it could be that they're still transmitting, but you, like, lose their location. That could be why they fade out. Just, like, decalibrates from them, I suppose. That could be the case. Alright, so that's catching... So I found this. I think I've got reels going already. Yeah. So I will send those on day 1. And then I will need new ones, but I can't afford them yet. I think it's about to start raining. It's gotten very cloudy. Is it late? No, not at all. Yeah, you never really know the specifics of what they are doing. Like, you just collect them and then it's like, I don't know, a planet or something. So I feel like they're probably not usually pass-bys. So it is kind of just a mystery why they fade out in the way that they do, in my mind. So I know that. I don't know what... So I think you need... Do you just need floppy disks? I think you might need a second thing for the changes to the... What are they called? Like hash codes. Well, I don't think they're called hash codes anymore. This is your autism hyperfocus. Maybe you should play this game. I don't know, you tell me if it looks interesting, because, I mean, to be fair, maybe the gameplay is just, like, not your thing necessarily, but I personally do really like this game, so I would sell it to any of my friends. I think it might have been, you get the floppy disk into the servers, and then you plug it in your PC, and then you use, like, a zip drive. Yeah, zip, that's it. Like, floppy goes in there, and then you use a zip to, like, make it into the format that they want. But I don't think I've found a zip drive yet, and that's kind of concerning because I think I need one. I should also put these down rather than just carry them everywhere. I don't need to carry them everywhere. I love the precise. I don't need to be placing them precisely, but I enjoy placing them, so I do. Oh god, I love horror games. I can't relate. I want to play horror games all the time. It's probably just going to be like the content I stream if I do continue streaming like past this game. The ones that send the signal come in many fun shapes as planets, satellites, and moons. Can't wait for day, I don't know, what was it, like 38 or something? So fun. Can you believe it, guys? The pyramid, just 30 days away. I got server outages yet. Oh, those are the processing servers and the temp processing. I was very concerned for a split second. Alright, so surely if I need the zip drives to do the work, then they're gonna be around here somewhere, right? This is the storage room. There's just drives in here. Oh, there's trash bags, that's useful. Probably am gonna end up needing them. There's a bin full of drives, okay. I have not found a zip yet. 100. That is not something I would have ever, like, believed if it didn't come from you, but I doubt you're just randomly lying about things like that. I'm just gonna... I think there might have been a way that you could just, like, sell... Oh, no, but you need to buy... Oh, no, you don't anymore. There's not item box anymore, is there? Because the drone's been changed. I think I'm just gonna see if I can just sell trash. Because I'm pretty sure it sells for an okay amount of money. Because it's like a recycling pay or whatever, so I think I'm just going to take a bunch of these, fill my inventory, and call the drone. Sorry, cleaning stream, because this place is a disaster. I'm also just constantly pressing the wrong buttons. The trash pile system is cool, by the way. I quite like that you take things out of like a lump of things. Also, it's so bright that we couldn't do astronomy on every single night other than... It's the only night dark enough. Oh, so light... It's kind of like light pollution. Well, I guess it is light pollution. I'm not entirely sure. But that's actually, like, genuinely, like, fascinating. I'm so glad that we have, like, someone who actually thinks about, like, astronomy, like, regularly in the chat right now. Like, that's perfectly fitting for this game. We believe the moon was formed in an hour. Like, from asteroids or what? Also, I found the quick bind. I can now actually clean without taking 9 years. Let's go! Yeah, there you go. That's the speedrun strat. The cleaning mastermind. I'm actually a Hoover. What do you mean? The moon is light pollution. Oh no, the thing I said earlier, because there's a massive delay. I forgot there's a massive delay on streams. Odd. I imagine, like, actually, yeah. Right now, as I'm saying ping, can you guys put pong in the chat? Because I'm curious how much of a delay there is, because I don't stream ever. So I don't actually know how bad this is. I think it depends on internet. So, again, when I've said that, I'm imagining you guys can just send pong in chat, and then it's going to give me a reference. Because saying this right now, I still don't see it. Like, I'm only now seeing the moon is thought to have formed when the young Earth struck a sister planet in the same orbit, which is slightly smaller. Which, I mean, I guess that makes sense, because it does kind of just look like a really big asteroid. Kind of, at least. I don't know. I'm not a space person. What? Oh, not enough space. I'm gonna have to hold it right now. Oh, I forgot to say it. Okay, so now I'm gonna say ping. Right, that is ping. Please send pong when you've heard that. Oh, it's not that bad. I have like a 10-second delay, actually. That's not that bad. 28 off pizza. Sobbing. I don't know why I'm saying sobbing, like as if there's a text-based conversation. I could have made a fake sobbing noise that I said sobbing. I'm so normal. I think the drones changed quite a bit since last time I played as well. It's like... I think it's really loud. This is gonna take a long time to clean, isn't it? Maybe one of the first things I should buy is the backpack so I can actually carry things. Oh no, because that goes on your back and it's... No, it's not that much better. Sobbing isn't... I know. I should read the book Algo Speak. Is it, like, about language? Like, how people speak now? It's like, how people on the internet speak, like psychology changes, I assume. I should probably take the other stuff out of my inventory so I don't accidentally... Yeah, the MREs and the battery should probably come out. I don't want to actually sell those. Okay. Yeah, that's the drone where I sell things now. It looks cool. I'm going to send it away for now because it is really loud, but I will be calling it back down in a minute to collect more trash because I'm probably just going to be trash collecting today. Assuming it actually, you know, pays. I'm about to find out because I've sold some trash to them. MRE as well. Why is it not eating? Is this like a fake MRE? What? Oh! Oh, it becomes food now! Oh, that's cool. I think I might have seen that briefly when I was testing before, but I forgot. It's like actually an MRE, I guess. Does it like drop random food maybe? I don't know. I'll find out. Bed. Oh, I'm about to faint. Oh, I don't want my first jump scare to be this stream from like the sleep deprivation man. Oh. Oh, right, we're talking about programming now. Okay, awesome. If I were any good at multitasking, I would totally like get into this and look at your code and stuff. But there's just like this box is get out of the middle of the hallway. I definitely prefer this more over everything plastic packaging. I know. Yeah, I don't even really think about it most of the time, but yeah, that is just true. Okay. Let's do some funny. Oh, we need the power on because I did the thing. Was it downloaded? Not even close. Oh, it like fell off? Did it move because of the wind? Or did I just like forget? It's a neutron star, by the way, we're collecting from. If you were curious. But the image of it is really low quality because we're using the unupgraded stuff. He's the method. Please. Oh yeah, no, he did just do that still anyway. Alright, I think it's calculations to use the servers. Package received. I made 100. Okay, yeah, no, it is worth doing that. First thing I'm going to buy is going to be the zip drive because I think I do physically need one to do my job. Oh, I don't have these either, do I? I'm going to need those so that I can actually sell my stuff. Is there like a zip drive box? No, there's a floppy box, but I don't try to sell the guys. I'll buy 2. Do I need anything else? Oh fuck, I hear him. Oh, he's here already. I think. Am I crazy? Is he here? Am I imagining that? Oh, am I crazy? Is he gone? Did he bug out and despawn? I don't hear him anymore. Game just gave me a bit of trolling. It's gone. Was he on the sonar? That's whatever that is. That's probably just deer. He's gone, isn't he? Did the skulls move? Yes. I think he is actually gone. I think he did just leave. He wanted to just, like, briefly say hello. Oh, that still scares me so much. Oh my god. I knew I was about to speaking about Python and Scratch. I do miss Python and Scratch, but Jesus Christ, I'm not over that. Oh, he will never not horrify me. I was so ready to, like, actually scream. I know about SV target, thank you. I'll just put that there. Alright, let's do some, I think there's a third one as well, I don't remember what it's called. Yeah, I think Red Guy is just gone. I think I saw there was a server outage. Yeah, there's M dead. I wish there was a quicker way to do this. Oh, not well. M and W. Oh, terminal's busy. I didn't know there was a thing. So M and W, and then Narpwil. There they go. They're out there. Is there any outages in here? I don't think they go out while they're off, which is good. We're at 5 PM, so I'm not going to go out and repair those. I'm going to do them while I'm doing the drives tomorrow. I don't think I finished. Yeah, I didn't finish the purchases because I got distracted by the horrors. Story 1. I don't need paper anymore, really. I don't think. I don't really need anything else there. Yeah, there's not there's not that much detail around solar systems. You kind of just find planets at random. There isn't really a consistency. Like when you're looking out in space, it's just kind of like really low quality pixelated. Like you're looking at space. That's kind of it. What else was I gonna buy just now? I guess I should probably get the rolls. Because I am gonna be cleaning I think that's all my money, yeah, basically. That's probably going to be enough. Download at 80%. I'm going to go have a brief nap because I don't want to be taken by the taker. Oh, fuck! Did that to myself. Literally forgot immediately. God damn it. Oh, go away! Okay. Right, and now we don't open any more doors until later, and they'll get me again later. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna go to, like, the satellites or whatever, and it's gonna happen again. Little mini sleep. That's good enough, probably. I want to make the most of the daylight anyway. I want to sleep at nighttime, ideally. Because, you know, I don't like not being able to see, and I also don't want to ruin my frame rate. I imagine the download is done before I get that. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna get to it. Be quiet. Let's get another one prepared while we're here, because I don't want to sleep without a download ongoing. Waste of resources, really. I think I just saw one there. It looks really weak, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it. Unless it just is. Oh no, I think it might be gone. It's not. It's still there, but I don't think I'm going to get it in time. Yeah, it's gone now. We'll go to this one then. Yeah, that one looks pretty strong. Oh, I was playing as one that entire time. I didn't even realize there was an accident. Oh, I will so download. Anti-Marcianito! No alien! No! I need that on the, like, TVs. I need it. I need the anti-alien alarm. We can't be having them. Protective shield! Protective shield! No alien! I think that one will count. I think it does. I'm pretty sure it just has to, like, touch. Yeah, that's fine. We got a new one coming in. What does this neutron star sound like? It's about to be expected. Until I can upgrade them. I'll just call that one, the second. Dog Skeletor is just generally so good at, I don't know why I'm saying it's fun. Joel is great at, like, delivering emotion and being silly. I think later on in, like, my time streaming, I probably will end up like that. It feels inevitable in my mind. With the creeper. Obscure reference, my beloved. Okay, so yeah, we have the stuff I ordered. We'll just bring that in, and then I might shove some more garbage in. Nah, it's too late. I don't want to leave this door open. Because, you know, latest version, there could be something that walks in day one. There could be. I don't know. I'm going to treat it like as if it's dangerous to leave the doors open, because generally it is in real life. Oh, that being said, did I leave this unlocked? No, I didn't. Okay. Fun fact, sound is transmitted through light in space. I don't know how, but it's funny enough. Fine. I can't visualize in my mind how that works, but I'm not a space person, really, so it's kind of no wonder. Alright, so we've got a case. Where's the lid? Did I have to buy the lid separately? Did I have to... Are you kidding me? Okay. There it is. Okay. Why do I have to buy the lid set? Why do they not come as a pair like the boxes do? What do you mean? Okay. Oh. Alright, so we have these, so we'll be able to work tomorrow once we get the... We'll eat some more MRE. Oh, it is random, I was right. That's interesting. I just got more out of that one than the previous one. Oh, and now I'm bored of that food. Yeah, now I'm getting bored, which is fair because it's MREs. Okay, so these need rotating, and then I should just go straight to bed because I'm like actively passing it. The demon is here. My camera is moving. I'm being haunted for lack of sleep. That is not good. I will collect that lid and then I'll go to bed. Because I don't just want to leave this noise playing for the entire time I'm trying to sleep. Alright, that's good enough. Do I see him? Where is he? I don't see him. Why did I say I'm too tired? Too tired to what? I'm not doing anything. Okay, I don't see him. I think he might be in the server room or something. Does he actually never get bored of eating cockroaches? That's funny. Alright. I am going to actively make myself get jump scared. I really need to... Oh, maybe he was in the bath. Maybe he was just getting clean. There, we got that. Okay, I can't eat these anymore. I think I'm just gonna have to put them in the fridge. But that can wait because I am actively like about to die. Well, not die, but okay. Are you cleaning? No. Oh yes, 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 yes. He is. Yes, he is. Hey, why did that scare me so much? Hello. How you doing? Oh. Get off me. Okay, I'm going to bed. Nightmare, 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 nightmare. I'm going to sleep. Oh, why did I not turn the lights on? I'm just gonna... Did I not call the drone to leave? I'm calling the drone to leave. I don't care. That noise is gonna annoy me too much. I'd rather get jump scared than leave that noise going all night. Intolerable. We're just being realistic. How am I gonna sleep with this? Go away. Thank you. And now he's gonna kill me for my insolence. No, maybe not. Also, this door could be not open constantly. That's creepy. Oh, get out the way. Oh, okay. Shut. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I can't see. Vending machines making creepy noises. Don't like it. We're gonna do a little bit of this, and then we're gonna go to bed. There we go. Demon didn't catch me. Look at me go. Too fast. But not fast. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm on the floor now. The demon got me. Also, what the hell? The sky? The sky looks so nice now. That was not a thing before. I don't think. Why have I got 14 FPS? That's fine. It's fine. Thank you for the umlauts in chat. Appreciate the umlauts. Oh, I can't wake up anymore. Wait, oh, did they do that intention? Oh, can I not just choose to wake? Oh, those are the noises I made, okay. Did they change it in this update so that you can't just wake up at random? Because if so, that is awesome. Like, the strat before, like, the min-max way to go was to... What? What? Oh! Oh, were you How did I get in the back rooms? How did that happen? Okay, good start. We're in the day one. Day one of my job. I got knocked out. I'm in the back rooms. This is a really weird dream. Okay, so you can't wake up if you pass out specifically. That's fair. I think they should honestly add that just for, like, generally sleeping. Because I feel like as the game is, like, it's too easy to just choose when to wake up and then do your work, like, really optimal. Like, it's not very realistic to just wake up at, like, 2 a.m. and then 3 a.m. and then, you know, work. So I actually like the idea that I can't wake up, just in general. Is there a way to leave the back rooms? Is there a point in me walking around? Every time I get here, I just leave. I close the game. I don't know if there's anything I can actually gain from doing this. I know nothing about the backrooms area. I assume it's a good idea to go down here. The backrooms because I glitched under the bed when I woke up from the nightmare, and when I woke up again, I glitched into the bed. Yeah, that probably makes sense. Oh! Right, I'm down here now. But yeah, just really bad timing, really. Like, instant nightmare. I couldn't have prepared myself. Let's go deeper. Okay, so there are things to gain from doing this. I'm assuming is what you're implying. Not that way, though. There's also just, like, I think my blood. I'm pretty sure it's my blood. I think I started bleeding because I fell really hard. I think I'm progressing. Okay. Okay, we're playing the Windows Maze game now. Oh, I'm never getting out. Oh, I don't remember when I last saved. I have autosave set to 5 minutes, so I don't think I would. That's my blood again. My blood is a marker, and I'm pretty sure that means that's a dead end. I'm pretty sure my last save is going to be a little before I got jump scared by the team in the bath. Okay, there's another one of these. Is there a way to do that fall that doesn't make me, like, bleed? Oh, there's a lot of fuel in this lantern. Is there any interesting, like, should I be doing this? Should I be bothering to go deeper? Like, will I potentially see something, or should I just restart the game? Because I genuinely have never thought about it. Like, I don't think I ever found the hole before, so I just thought there was nothing. That was stupid. Okay, so can I ragdoll, maybe? Yeah, there you go. Okay, so that's the strat. Surely it doesn't just keep looping the exact same area, right? Like, surely there is something down here. I mean, like, if you do know there's something down here, don't tell me what, but, like... Surely. I'm pretty sure they added the back rooms as, like, a... It's like a, oh god, I'm gonna punish you because you're deliberately glitching out the map. And then motherfuckers who just, like, fell asleep wrong go to the back rooms. Oh no. Okay. You sent the colon 3, that has... I mean, that means this is, like, the eldritch horror that absolutely mutilates me or something. Obviously. That's the implication I received from that. Oh, there's no one. Yeah, the strat is just to hit C. That's your like, always has been, I guess. It does feel like I am just going through the exact same rooms. I don't really feel like as if I've noticed any difference. There is a bit of a creepy ambient. Can I, like, edit my settings, or is it going to stop me from pausing? Oh, it's that pause menu. I can edit my settings, though. Yeah, I'm in, like, the danger zone pause menu. God have mercy. Something's down here, it won't. Okay. I feel so safe. Save error null. Oh, good thing for it. I don't want my save file to be down here. You know, we just be hopping in a straight line. I just watched that load. Oh, I just watched that load. Does that mean this is just endless and it's just generating itself over and over again? Are you sure there's something down here? Because I literally watched it generate a new area. I did not bring spare batteries because I was planning on cleaning. Like, I have them, but... Wait, what? Wait, what do I do now? What? Huh? Wait, what do you mean? Am I just... Okay. Right. Just, uh... Right, what's the bit here? What is the bit here? What am I supposed to... I can even see, like, the sun leaking when I try hard enough. Wait for light to go out? You just mean, I can just turn it off. And do anything. I'm getting really conflicting statements here. One are you saying, like, it's over, there is nothing down here, and one are you saying patient? I don't know if I'm supposed to quit now, or if I'm supposed to just, like, sit here and, like, I don't know, ask you what your, like, favorite soup is. I don't know what I was trying to achieve. I have never had soup before, by the way. That was just, like, a completely, like... My brain had to come with a random word. Right, so... Do I, you know... Like... Instant tips. Help, I'm in the fucking back robes. What am I supposed to do? No advice. Nothing. Fucking help me. You actually don't know, okay. Well, my instinct here would be just, you know, get menu. My image test and format. Oh, oh. They all have, like, cool images. No, it's literally just that. Oh, because it's called image test and format. I can't read. Let's hit reload at this point. Well, I've wall hugged every wall. I've sat here a bit. I've tried turning my light off. I've tried doing whatever the hell this was. I think it's probably about time that I do this because there's kind of like there's not really that much here. Oh. Oh. Right. Oh. Oh, my arms. An endless procedurally generated stone labyrinth, anxious by clipping through a wall terrain. So yeah, I think I fell on the bed. After unknown time... Oh. Oh, okay. So the whole bit here is just like, I will crash eventually. And it just happened to procedurally generate a trap. So there is nothing to... Okay. Funny older Forky. Hello. Look at my old game well. It's not the worst timed, I guess, because I did say around 90 minutes ago that I would play for around 1 to 2 hours. So we're pretty much exactly on around about the amount of time that I said I was planning on streaming for. I mean, well, my original plan was literally just to do a test stream, and it's been tested. It works. Apart from, you know, if I specifically somehow managed to faint in my bed. That was funny. I will just, like, I'm not going to play this save file at all on my own. I will just continue directly where I left off on the next stream. Which, like I said, it probably will just be the same time tomorrow unless something happens to cancel that, because I did have a lot of fun with this. I will have to remember to fix the issues with my avatar. I might just turn off the hand tracking because it's really weird, and I need to enable lip sync thing for my microphone, because I'm pretty sure, well, I can change to this one. Yeah, you can just see, like, my mouth does not move, so this thing don't work. It's broken. But yeah, if you want to see me continue on, well, day 1 again, because I'm going to be going back in time an unknown amount of time, tune in probably tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Like I said, I was literally just expecting to see Penny and no one else, and then we would, like, test on Sandbox and then log off. I appreciate seeing people here. Microphone occasionally cuts out to make below the activation threshold. The thing is, right? Oh, thank you for following me. I forgot you hadn't even done that. The thing is, with my microphone, I have a setting on OBS, I think it's called like noise gate or something, because if I have no filters on my mic, it sounds really bad because my PC fans are really loud. Yeah, it's noise gate. If I do this, I think you'll just immediately hear, I'm not going to leave it on for long, I'm pretty sure you just hear like fans. I'm sorry, that probably came out wrong. But yeah, I have to leave it like that because otherwise that's just like what it is. Unless you didn't hear anything, but I think you did. I'm pretty sure you heard a bunch of noise when I pressed that button to turn it off. Anyway. But yeah, next time I stream, I'll come up with an interesting name, which is not VoTV when I'm out of build. Oh, you hear the fans when I'm talking anyway. Okay, I didn't realize. I guess it is a noise gate. I would have to have noise suppression on to remove that. If it is really bad, I could work on finding something else, like an alternative for my audio. But generally like this microphone at least used to be really good. I feel like it is a good mic. So how bad am I cutting out? Like, am I fine as I am right now? Oh, it gets louder. Okay, good to know. But there is a reason to leave this on. But I might want to tweak it a little bit if I'm cutting out. I could do. I see closed threshold and open threshold. I don't really know what they mean. If I literally just turn them both down, does this make things better or worse? I don't really know how to like efficiently test it. Like, do you hear me cutting off less? And is there more fan? I just moved 2 sliders on the filter. Okay, so what I have now is better. Okay, the reason it is getting sliced is, I guess, because like when you obviously open and close like a sentence that you're saying, it is quieter. Like the middle of your sentence is usually the loudest, right? And because it's just a simple noise gate. Like I could turn noise suppression on, but I feel like that's gonna mess something up. Okay, that's what I'm gonna use then from now on. That microphone change. I'm glad this was a test stream and we got it working for next time. Again, thank you all for joining, because I literally just expected Teddy. Hopefully see you tomorrow. I'm gonna... Oh god, my throat is getting really dry. Okay, because I've been yapping so much. I'm gonna get this stream shut off. Good to see you all. Bye-bye. Meow, indeed. Alright. I don't know how to do an outro. I'm just gonna...